week we've been talking about our new pitch, which we now know is called fa. And I know a lot of you have been wondering about fa since you were in first grade. So congratulations, you finally made it to fa. Now, when we put it on our step ladder, it's going to look like this. As you can see, fa goes right in between me and so. But what I want you to keep in mind is that that step is a smaller step than any of the other solfege pitches we know. All of our other ones are what we call whole steps. But mi to fa is a half step, and that's what makes it a little bit tricky when we sing. Let's do it. Here we go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol. If I was to write it in stick notation, meaning just the tas and tatis with the letter names under it, it would look like this. Let's do it. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol. When I go and put it on the staff, this is where it gets tricky. When do is on G, like every good right here, as you can see it's on G on the staff, we can just keep it completely normal. Let's sing it again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol. However, if we put do on F, like we often do, which is a space, I want you to take a look at what fa has to look like. We call this little sign a flat. And what a flat does is it lowers a pitch by 1/2 step. And the reason we have to do it is because otherwise it would sound like this. Won't you come alive? Yes, exactly what we've talked about not wanting to do. So I'm gonna throw this little flat on it. Looks kind of like a B. And as you can see, the opening of the B, the line has to be going through it. Won't you come alive? Yes. And remember, it happens when do is in other places, but mostly at school, we talk about do being on F, which is the space, or do being on G. So that's why we're focusing on that today.